girl overalls. I could pull it off. Can I have it, Dad? Can I?
Recording me, Mommy.
Thanks for not buying me that glove and teaching me what's really important.
Bart, son, if I bought you that bike, you wouldn't appreciate it. Because when you get anything you want, you don't want anything you get.
What is this crap? Are you wearing a wire?
Someday you'll understand that I'm just being a good dad.
Are you kidding?
Jonathan's making noises.
I'd rather take my
I
chances
know
in
it's
a hot
you too,
car than go in the
Mommy.
store with you.
Yes, we do it.
Oh, look, the good father is strong enough that he doesn't need to use his strength.
I know that
Bart
we
needs
do,
his
Mommy.
feet to strangle him with love.
We thought a father would have something that could affect a kid. Son,
I
won't
have
strangle you
that
anymore. I also won't get you that mini bike.
Yes,
How about this?
that's
Why don't you punch me
awesome.
in the face and you get me a snowmobile?
Wish I could, son. Really wish I could.
I know it's you.
Now it's ready for garbage. What's wrong, homie?
Bart's mad because he wanted me to buy him something, but I didn't think it was the right thing to do.